Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation video on sequence and series. My name is Vanessa Zawa Hakim. You can call me Vanessa, and I'm from Singapura Bangsa Karawang University. And today we will explore the fascinating world of mathematical sequence and series, which are fundamental concepts in mathematics with application in various fields, including finance, computer science, and engineering. Have you ever wondered how patterns emerge in numbers, or how we can sum an infinite series? Sequence and series help us answer this question and much more. In this presentation, we will cover the definition of sequence and series, different types of sequence, and others. By the end of this session, you will have a clearer understanding of these concepts and their significance. So let's dive in, and we will start with the basic of sequence, then move on to series, and finally we will look at some practical examples to solidify our understanding. Let's get started. Okay, what are sequence and series? A sequence is defined as an arrangement of numbers in a particular order. A sequence is an ordered arrangement of numbers or objects that follow a specific rule or pattern. On the other hand, a series is defined as the sum of the elements of a sequence. Next. Okay. The next is sequence is considered the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. This is an arithmetic sequence where each term increases by 2. Common difference. The pattern continues indefinitely unless an upper limit is defined. So, what is series? If we sum the terms of this sequence, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus so on, we obtain a series derived from the sequence. Okay. Next. The next is sequence and series definition. A sequence is arrangement of any object or a set of numbers in a particular order followed by some rule. If A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, and so on denote the terms of a sequence, then 1, 2, 3, 4 denotes the position of the term. A sequence can be defined based on the number of terms, either finite sequence or infinite sequence. If A1, A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, so on is a sequence, then the corresponding series is given by S sub n equals A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3, so on plus A plus n, A sub n. Okay, next is what types of sequence and series? The type has three. One is arithmetic. Arithmetic, a sequence in which every term is created by adding or subtracting a definite number to the preceding number, is an arithmetic sequence. Two is geometric. Geometric, a sequence in which every term is created by adding or subtracting a definite number to the preceding number, is an arithmetic sequence. Number three, a harmonic. A series of numbers is said to be an harmonic sequence if the reciprocals of all the elements of the sequence form an arithmetic sequence. Okay, guys. The next is types of sequence and series. In table, we can see the formulas of sequence and series. Okay. 1. Arithmetic. Sequence formula of n term. The n term is given by a sub n equals a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. So, arithmetic series formula for the sum of n terms is s sub n equals n divided by 2 times 2a plus m minus 1 times d. Okay. Number 2 is geometric sequence. The n term is defined as sub a sub n equals a times a raised to the power of n minus 1, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. Next is the sum of the first n terms is calculated as sum n equals a times 1 minus a raised to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. For an infinite geometric series, when the absolute value or r is less than 1. Next is equals divided by 1 minus r. Number 3 is harmonic. Harmonic, the n term is expressed as uh, a sub n equals 1 divided by a plus n minus 1 times d. The sum of the first n terms can be found using as sub n equals 1 divided by d times the natural logarithm of 2a plus 2n minus 1 times d divided by 2a minus d. Okay, guys. The next is difference between sequence and series. Uh, Sequence is set of elements that follow a pattern. Order of element is important. Finite sequence-nya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Infinite sequence-nya 1, 2, 3, 4. What about series? Series is sum of elements of the sequence. Order of element is not so important. Finite series-nya 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Infinite series-nya 1, 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on. Okay, what is finite versus infinite in sequence and series? A sequence can be application of sequence and series. Sequence and series are used in various real-life scenarios. Scenarios such as 1 is finance, 2 is science and engineering, 3 is for computer science. Finance for calculating loan payments and compound interest. Science and engineering for predicting population growth and analyzing wave patterns. And for computer science is for algorithm design and data structure analysis. Okay, guys. Uh, the next is example. Okay, the example, what will be the 15th term of the arithmetic sequence minus negative 3, negative 1 over 2, and 2, and so on, using sequence and series formula. For the example, for this question, we using the formula for n term of an arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, putting the known values, given a equals minus 3, d is minus 1 over 2, 1 over 2 minus negative 3, which is d is 5 over 2, and n is 15. Using the formula, putting the known values, a 15 a sub 15 equals minus 3 plus 15 minus 1 times 5 over 2. The answer is 32. So the 15th term of the given arithmetic sequence is 32. 32. Okay, the next example is what find the next term of the given geometric sequence. 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 8, and so on. Using sequence and series formula, using the formula for the n term of a geometric sequence and series, which is a sub n equals sub n and minus 1. Okay, given A is 1, R is 1 over 2 over 1 equals 1 over 2. Nah, to find 5 term using the formula for the n term of a geometric sequence and series, A sub n sama dengan equals AR the power of times a raised to the power of n minus 1. Putting the known values in the formula, A5 equals 1 times 1 over 2 the power of 5 minus 1. The answer is A5. A sub 5 equals 1 over 16. The next term of the sequence is 1 over 16. Okay, the next is conclusion. Okay guys, in conclusion, we have explored the essential concepts of sequence and series. We learned that a sequence is simply an ordered list of numbers, while a series is the sum of the terms of sequence. We discussed various types of sequence, such as arithmetic and geometric sequence, and how to calculate their sums. Understanding sequence and series is not only crucial for solving mathematical problems, but also for applying this concept in real-world scenario. Okay guys, I hope this presentation has provided you with valuable insight into the world of sequence and series. Thank you for your attention, and I'm happy to answer any question you may have. Okay, see you guys. Bye-bye.